Okay, so this next segment is a really interesting one. There are a number of conditions that can develop around your eyes that can impact your vision, comfort, even your looks. That's when you need a specialist who's really trained to perform these delicate procedures. Luckily, we have that person here this day. Dr. Leslie Pfeiffer is an oculoplastic surgeon with Key-Whitman Eye Center. She joins us now with more on how you can help. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Hannah. It's good to be back.
We're so happy to have you. So you can help patients improve their looks and even their vision by correcting droopy upper eyelids. What other issues can you help?
Well, a lot of people get little lumps and bumps on their eyelids, and the dermatologist asks specialists like me to remove these things because they're so close to the eye itself. Sometimes we biopsy these and it turns out that it's actually a type of skin cancer.
So that's really interesting. I hadn't heard about that until this morning, and one of our producers actually had her husband experience this. What is it that you guys are able to help or do in a case where somebody may have that skin cancer around the eye?
Well, here I work very closely with dermatologists, and what the dermatologist does is they remove the cancer and every last little bit of cancer. And my job is to reconstruct or rebuild the eyelids in a way that opens and closes, protects the eyeball, and looks good too.
You know, these are issues that really I had never thought about. I think a lot of people may have not, but if they impact you, they can really be such a hindrance on your life. What other issues do you guys treat that, might surprise people or maybe they haven't heard about?
You know, one thing I see very commonly is people that have problems with watery eyes or tearing. As you can imagine, these people look like they're crying all day long. And this can have a huge impact on not only the vision, but also the quality of life. Sometimes people can have watery eyes because they have a problem with the tear duct or the tear drain. And sometimes it needs surgery, and that's something I can fix.
So it really sounds like a lot of the things that we're focusing on, it has to do with the eyelid. And I did have a friend who had built up excess skin and they had to have it. They actually couldn't see because of this. So what are you guys able to do with the eyelid?
Well, you know, it's exactly right. Your friend is probably the most common patient I see. So whether it's people with extra skin on the eyelids that's blocking their vision, or they don't even like how their upper or lower eyelids look, or even those lumps or bumps or watery eyes we talked about, these are all things that I see very commonly and can help with.
You know, doctor, I think a lot of people may think this is just how I look, this is just how I have to live. When should they give you guys a call? When should they know that actually life could change?
Well, I think if any of these things we're talking about are ringing bells in viewers' minds, you know, we'd always be happy to see you and for a consultation, and we can investigate the issue and see how we can help it.
And speaking of, you guys do have multiple locations across North Texas, right?
That's right. I see patients in our Frisco, Rockwall, North Arlington, and our main Dallas headquarters. So if any of these things sound like something that you need help with, please call us for a consultation and I'll try to help.
Doctor, thank you for joining us this morning and thank you for bringing relief to patients.
Thank you so much. It's good to be back.
You're welcome. I'll talk to you soon. Call 214-220-EYES. That's 214-220-3937 or visit keywhitman.com to schedule an appointment.